Hi and welcome to the video demonstration for the Department for Education of our application Read Write Phonics. So hopefully you should have received this HTC Desire in the post. The first thing is to turn the device on by holding down the on-off button for 5 seconds and then releasing the button. Now just waiting for the screen and the phone to start. Next section is just to swipe off the screen lock. Takes you to the home screen of the phone. The only icon installed is Read Write Phonics, and that's the menu screen of Read Write Phonics. The 3 sections and a contact icon which takes you to an email application within the phone. So the first section you can go through is Read. This section groups the 44 phonemes into different groups. Let's take the first group of explosives, or based on the plosive sounds. So we have the demonstration of the phoneme and an example word. Going to the next one. And so on through the phonemes. Within this section, hitting the redo button takes you back to the phoneme. Hitting the speaker button plays the word again, or the phoneme or words depending on the section. Once you get to the end of a section, hit the menu key to take you back to the main menu of that section. We can look at the frictive sounds.
Fish. Van.
And go to some of the vowel sounds. To skip ahead, just hit the arrow button.
Ox.
So we look at some long vowels.
A. Ray. E. B. I. Night.
So this section is about learning the 44 phonemes. Based on repetition, the child can repeat the phonemes they hear. Hit the speaker button
Night. Night.
to repeat the example words. Replay to try again.
Night. I. Night. O. Boat.
And once that section is finished, or at any time, you can hit the home key to go to the read menu. Hit the home key again to go back to the top menu. The second section is called Write, which allows children to see how letters are formed,
Your turn.
and also try forming letters themselves. child will then be marked
Almost there.
depending on how close they got to the letters. Let's try that again. Try and get a bit closer.
Your turn. Good effort.
Let's try another letter.
Your turn. Fantastic! 3 stars.
The marking is based on how smooth the line is and how far away the line is from the ideal dots. But the main section of the application is actually phonics. So once the child has gone through and learnt the phonemes within the read section, the phonics section is where the application really makes use of the smart screen and smartphone devices. So again, the word can be repeated by hitting the speaker button. The individual phonemes can be played. And the child, this is the clever bit, the child can synthesize the word or blend the sounds by striking through the word. And so can hear how words are formed from the individual phonemes. So within the small word we have mainly CVC words. Let's try tap. The child can hear the sound, hear the word by tapping the speaker icon or the individual phonemes, and then can blend the word, blending left to right all through the word. The child can segment a word by taking a word, hearing the full sound, guessing the phonemes, and then testing themselves. So, hopefully this gives you some idea of our application Read Write Phonics and shows you how to use the application. Hopefully you can hear the correct phonics sounds are used, and hopefully it gives a good demonstration of the functionality. If you have any questions or queries, please contact us at contact@readwritephonics.co.uk. Thanks very much for watching.